Hey everybody, we have a train coming down there, and let me show you. It's down there, already down there. Yep, there it is. You can see. But Bob,
Yeah.
it looks like the train is a mile away.
Yeah, it might be not here yet. So.
But we can still. So it will make it's still a mile away, but because. Sorry.
Do you want to start again? A little bit?
No, we're just gonna take a video of the train coming closer. And when the gates go down, I'm gonna zoom out. So there it is. Train's coming very slowly down there. So we're gonna take a perfect video of the train coming as I want. You know what? Let's just take a better, good shot of it coming closer.
Do you want to walk closer that way? Do you want to walk down there?
No. We're not gonna have to do that because right now I want to go see. We're on the right spot. I want to be on this side because we have the bell ringing and like. So we still have the train coming, but it doesn't say arriving. But the train, we can still see the train coming light, but still a mile away. So we're gonna have to wait a minute. It's coming even closer. Oh my God, it's coming. It is coming. It is coming. It's not a mile away, Vinny. It's not a mile away anymore.
Yeah.
It's not a mile away, Mom. Not anymore.
Not
It
anymore.
used to be a mile away, but no, not anymore. It's coming even closer.
Oh.
Look. Can you look to the side? Can you see it coming even closer? So
No,
as it
doesn't
comes,
look like it's moving right now.
no, it is. Look. It's coming lighter. You can see the light coming.
I see the light. I don't feel like the light's really
Oh, it's coming.
bigger.
It's coming. It is coming
I
bigger.
believe it's coming eventually. It might just be
No, it is not. Look,
attention. Approaching, it says. Oh, it must be coming out. It must be coming out. Here we go. It says that the train is approaching.
Okay, right now. So guys, we have the train coming. Not a mile away anymore, but now it's here. So we used to see this guy.
Oh, there you go. Arriving, it says. Arriving.
You can see the train crossing like down there flashing already. And now
Okay.
now that one's gonna go off. And there we go.
Here comes.
And here
I think it's going to stop there, though.
here and it's gonna come pretty quick. So we have to cover our wheels. So here it goes. Okay, let's get away.
Modified schedule on December 24th. Info, Copeland.com.
Oh man. Oh no, it's so fast, guys. Look.
So it's 30 minutes for the next, wait, 10. About 15 minutes for the next train to come, but it'll be on the other side.
Okay, we're gonna have to be on the other
Do you
side.
want to go there, or do you want to see more of the little trains
So-
while we wait?
So when?
15 minutes, we could come
But
back out.
when
Do
is
you wanna
it
go-
4 o'clock?
Well, that's the thing. So the next train is going to be, it is, well, 3:13. We can watch one more train and then go home. It's 3:13 now.
Okay, let me just take a video of more stuff, and I want to display more of your stuff. So down there, we are stepping on the line that we're not supposed to